Hello, I have an interesting idea to share with you today. I'll be conducting an experiment right in front of your eyes, but you've got to watch it very attentively. Let's get started without wasting any time. Here, I take a glass because I need it for the experiment. I have some placards with few images drawn on them. Here is a arrow diagram on the white sheet of paper. Now, if I show you through the glass, you got to very carefully watch the side towards which the arrow is pointing. It just remains the same, right? Here it is, and then it comes down. The direction is absolutely the same. But now, is this a magic that's going to happen? Let me show it to you. I'm pouring some water into the glass. See it for yourself. Do you see any changes? The same arrow diagram here, not seen through the glass containing water. And now when I take it down, just observe it. Yes, you can once again observe the same. I hope you could understand. The arrow diagram has completely flipped from one end to the other. Now, if you do it with other images drawn on a sheet of paper, here I have a number which is written on it. And then I show you again the same thing on the top of this glass. And when I take it to the back of the glass, you try to see the number. Hasn't it changed? Yes, it has come with an absolute change. The number here, and then when seen through the glass, right? It is seen through the glass. Now if I do it with another image that I have drawn on the sheet of paper, this is the line with a floral tip. One flower drawn at one of the ends of the line. Now see it here over the glass and then see it through the glass. See it through the glass. You see the change? Yes, here it is on which side? It is, you've got to note that side on which the floral end is there. And now when you watch it, see the floral end has come to the reverse side. You can try it out with many other images of your choice and keep performing it for yourself to believe your eyes. Here, this is an image of a winking face. And when you see it, you got to carefully watch the eye which is open. Now, when you see through the glass containing water, I hope you find the change, right? The change, you can well observe it. See here once again, the eye which is open, and now watch the eye which is open when you observe it through the glass. Was this magic? Absolutely no. This is not a magic, this is absolutely a fact of science. This phenomenon is called refraction, refraction of light. Let me explain. Whenever we see an object, the light emits from that object towards our eyes, and then it forms an image on the retina, and then we interpret that image through our brain and visualize the image. The exact phenomenon what you saw in this experiment, the arrow was flipping from one end to the other, happens in the retina of our eyes. It forms an inverted image of the object that we see. But then finally, when it gets interpreted to the brain, it shows the exact image as such. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will try to come up with more such experimental ones to give you excitement and get you interested in science. Thank you.